Parts of a plant. There are many plants of different shapes and sizes around us. These plants have different parts to perform various activities. A plant has two main parts, the root and the shoot. The root is the part of a plant that grows below the ground, while the shoot grows above the ground. Types of roots. There are two main types of roots. Taproot. The first root from the seed becomes the main root. Smaller and thinner roots branch out from the main root. Carrot, radish, beetroot, mustard, and hibiscus plants have tap roots. Fibrous root. The seed does not form a single main root. Many small roots grow from the base of the stem. All the roots are almost of the same thickness. Grass, wheat, and paddy have fibrous roots. The shoot system. The shoot system usually grows above the ground. It consists of the stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. The stem. The main part of the shoot system is the stem. It usually grows above the soil and holds up branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. The stem can be strong or weak. The leaf. The most important part of the shoot system is the leaf. It prepares food for the plant using air, water, and sunlight. That is why it is called the food factory or kitchen of the plant. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Parts of a leaf. A leaf has different parts. Leaf blade or lamina. It is the flat and broad part of a leaf. Veins. These are the lines that run across a leaf. Leaf stalk or petiole. This part connects the branch to the leaf. Flowers. The flower is the most beautiful and brightly colored part of the plant. Flowers are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. Some flowers have a sweet smell. Fruits. Most fruits contain seeds. Mango and plum have only one seed. Apple and orange have a few seeds. Papaya, watermelon, and pomegranate have many seeds. Seeds. Seeds are of different sizes, shapes, and colors. A seed needs water, soil, and sunlight to grow into a new and healthy plant. This process is known as germination. Germination. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Seeds germinate when they get the suitable environmental conditions, including proper amount of air, water, soil, and sunlight. If a seed is planted too deep into the soil, it may not germinate. When the seed absorbs enough water, it swells and the seed coat bursts. This allows a baby plant, called a seedling, to emerge. The radicle grows into the root system, while the plumule grows into the shoot system.